Can you day trade at Vanguard? Can you day trade via Vanguard? So the short answer is yes, Vanguard allows day trading, but it's not built for that. Vanguard is a big investment company. It focuses on long-term investing. You can buy and sell stocks daily, but it's not designed for fast day trading. Tools are simpler than what you get at Weibo and Robinhood, which are designed for day trading. Fees may apply for frequent trades during the day if you are on Vanguard. So Vanguard is better for retirement accounts, not day trading. You can still day trade if you want, but it's not the best platform for active day traders. And beginners may find it too slow for day trading.